The Huawei Pura 80 Ultra emerges as Huawei's latest flagship, heavily emphasizing groundbreaking mobile photography and premium design. Released in June 2025, it aims to redefine what's possible with a smartphone camera while offering a high-performance experience. Design and display. The Pura 80 Ultra features a stunning 6.8-inch LTPO OLED display with a resolution of 1276 by 2848 pixels, delivering incredibly vibrant colors and sharp visuals. The display boasts a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate for smooth scrolling and a remarkable peak brightness of 3000 nits, ensuring excellent visibility even in bright sunlight. Its quad-curved design and protection by Kunlun Glass 2, basalt-tempered, contribute to both its aesthetic appeal and durability. The phone showcases a unique, X-image, triangular camera array on the back, adding to its distinctive look. It's also built with an aluminum frame and glass back, and boasts an IP68, IP69 rating for dust and water resistance. Revolutionary camera system. The Pura 80 Ultra's camera system is its most compelling feature. It includes a versatile penta-camera system, with a focus on its innovative telephoto capabilities. Main camera, a 50MP primary sensor with a large 1-inch Type RYYB sensor and a variable aperture, f1.6 f4.0, with OIS. Huawei claims this camera offers an impressive 1.6 EV dynamic range, significantly improving detail in both highlights and shadows, and is rated to deliver 15x higher dynamic range compared to the Pura 70 Ultra. Switchable dual-lens periscope telephoto. This is the headline feature. It utilizes a single 1/1.28-inch 50MP sensor, the largest telephoto sensor in a smartphone, according to Huawei, and an intricate moving mechanism that shifts between two lenses. This allows for 3.7 by 83mm equivalent, f2.4, and 9.4 by 212mm equivalent, f3.6, optical zoom with sensor shift OIS. Ultrawide camera, a 40MP ultrawide lens 13mm equivalent, f2.2, is also included for expansive shots. Multispectral color sensor, a 1.5MP multispectral color sensor further enhances color accuracy. The phone supports 4K video recording, 1080p at up to 960 fps, interpolated, and features HDR Vivid and Euro-ICE for stable footage. Performance and software. Under the hood, the Huawei Pura 80 Ultra is powered by the Kirin 9020 chipset, 7nm, an octa-core processor, and a Mali 920 GPU. This combination ensures smooth performance for demanding applications, gaming, and multitasking.